I have my timer here, so let's do it. Start. Let's go.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
I'm 29. I just man, shut up.
What the dog doing?
Look at the pussy.
Okay guys, so I have all the parts in. Look at the heads. I need to, like, you know, shape them, make it nice now, but everything has their own parts now. They have the beaks and the wings and etc, etc. I still need to make the little details though, and then that should be good. Yeah, still have a lot of work to do.
What the dog doing?
of any of these other health conditions, speak up, speak loud, and speak
This is
now.
heavy. Sunday the 16th. I got 3 orders from my Etsy shop. So they're from these keychains. Oh my god, I cannot believe it. Like, oh my god. 3 orders. So I'm planning to meet those today and then hopefully get it done by Tuesday or tomorrow, hopefully. It should be kind of easy. So let's get it done. Ready? Oh no, that fell off. It's fine. I think I'm just gonna glue his legs on, to be honest. I'm going to lie. Guys, I cannot get over them. Literally, this guy looks so cool. Bigger version of him, but they're gonna be different colors for sure. And then the aliens are super cute. They look so cute. I cannot get over them. Oh my god. Okay, and then the letters. I think the letters are okay. They definitely need something, but I'm not sure what. And then this is the only guy. He has a laying duck on his head. And then these guys, it's gonna say quack on top. I need to make that though, so yes. I finished with all the clay keychains to deliver 5 of them actually. So here they are, all 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deliver, and then I have these 2 new ones, 2 girls and 2 guys or whatever. And then I need to make more to, I think, have different colors or different options. I need to make little charms for them, but that'll be next time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and like, and leave down in the comments below what other videos you guys want to see. I'll definitely have more clay videos coming in, so yeah, check that out, guys. Thank you guys. Bye.